let's talk about the Pixel Fold. Gadget Beard. All right, guys. Welcome back to Gadget Beard. Now, I know you guys been dying to see another video of my pretty little face. I'm just playing. I know I'm ugly. But I'm here today with my 2-week, not review, because it's not a review of the phone. It's just my experience with the Pixel Fold for the last 2 weeks, ever since the 28th of June till today, which will be tomorrow. Exactly 2 weeks of me having the Pixel Fold as my daily driver. It's been absolutely amazing, but I've been a Pixel user forever, since the Galaxy Nexus. I've had a Nexus ever since and had every Pixel ever since. So it feels a lot like home. If you had or used a previous Pixel device, it's just like any other normal Pixel device. But what sets it off, it's the folding capabilities and what it unlocks. Number one, let's start with the cover display. The cover display is freaking amazing. I had the Galaxy Z Fold 3, didn't like it. Too heavy, too tall. It wasn't pocketable, even though it was thin. It was like thin and like width-wise, it wasn't pocketable at all. That thing was long. It felt like you had a brick in your pocket. This one in your pocket doesn't feel like a brick. Perfect size. So anyways, the front display, I use it for everything. It is like a Pixel Mini. Anything you can do on the Pixel 7 Pro, you can do on the Pixel Fold on the cover display. You don't have to unfold it. You can do everything on the front display, which that's what makes this phone amazing, because you don't have to fold it if you don't need to. You don't have to unfold it if you don't want to. When I was using the Galaxy Z Fold 3, I couldn't even send a quick text message reply. That thing, front display, unusable. Everything I needed to do, I had to unfold it, and that just made for a bad experience, because I don't want to unfold that massive device every freaking time. This one right here, I don't have to unfold the device if I don't need to. I can practically go a full year without folding it, and you do everything in here. You're not losing out an experience. What unfolding does is it unlocks a different kind of experience. Consuming content. If you love to consume content, watch movies, watch anything you want to immerse yourself in, unfold the device, because the inner display is freaking amazing. You watch everything bigger, it's just freaking amazing. Multitasking. If you like to multitask, or you try multitasking on a regular smartphone before, it can be a little bit hectic, you know what I'm saying? Got to go through apps, go here or there. But even try to split screen the apps too, you only get a little portions of it. Multitasking on the Fold is a breeze. It makes it so simple and so easy to use. I use it all the time now. If I need to send an email, but I need to grab something from a different app to my no apps, I split the apps over, copy what I need to copy, drag it over. Boom, boom. If you want to send a picture, grab a picture, open up your email, just grab the picture, boom, drag it over. Freaking amazing. It does not get better than that. Multitasking on the Pixel Fold, you're gonna freaking love it. I can't emphasize that enough. The front display, you're gonna love it. I can't emphasize that enough. If you're one of those people wanting a Pixel Mini, pick up the Fold, because you got the Pixel Mini. And then when you want to make your Pixel bigger, just unfold it. Boom, done, boy. Battery life. What can I say about battery life? I can't say, oh, it's the greatest battery life ever on a Pixel. It's not, because everybody's usage is different. But what I can tell you, that it's better than my usage on my 7 Pro. I don't know how. It's the same processor. When the Pixel Fold was first announced and they said it was gonna have the G2, I was like, why not just wait for the G3? Because we all know how hot. We all know that the G2 doesn't get great battery life. But I don't know what Google did. But this G2 is a little bit different than the one on the Pixel 7 Pro. It gets better battery life than my 7 Pro. and it does not get as hot as my 7 Pro. My 7 Pro 4K 60 recording video, done. Shuts off on a hot day. This one, not so much. There's nothing really negative I can say about this device because I'm a Pixel fanboy. It says it right here. No, not a fanboy. A Pixel super fan. Take a little drink real quick. Water. You have to rehydrate. And then you gotta chase it with a little bit of energy. Monster. All right, anyways, let's get back to the video. What can I say? I love the size, the form factors, very pocketable. Like I said, easy, put in your pocket, boom. Everything's great about this device. There's really nothing negative. I can't talk about updates. We just got the July update yesterday. It's not buggy. I haven't experienced any bugs or anything like that. The speakers on the device is great. It's plenty enough. I paired it to my Pixel Watch. I paired it to my Pixel Buds Pro. Everything works flawlessly. Everything works just like it should work. Accessories, there's plenty of accessories out there. Plenty of accessories. Screen protectors, cases, whatever you need. Boom, plenty of accessories out there on day one, which I absolutely love because before, back then, case manufacturers really didn't do cases for Pixels. But now, day one, there's an abundance of cases out there for the Fold. The one thing I am going to mention is that the inner display does come with a screen protector. Some of y'all have removed it, which I believe it's okay. And there is third-party screen protectors for the inner display, like Whinstone Dome has one. I have one, but I haven't removed it because I was scared because the message out of the box said if I remove it, I voided my warranty. But apparently that's not the case. So I'll probably do a video on that here soon. But other than that, like I said, I absolutely loved my experience so far with the Pixel Fold. I haven't encountered anything bad. It has unlocked new ways to use a device, like my camera, tripod mode and stuff like that. All kinds of cool stuff you can do now with the Pixel Fold and the camera. All kinds of cool stuff you can do multitasking now with the Pixel Fold. All the cool ways you can consume content with the Pixel Fold is absolutely amazing. If you guys have any questions regarding the Pixel Fold, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my abilities. If you guys want me to test anything specifically in regards to this device, let me know that as well. I'll try to test that as well. But other than that, everything's been fine. I'll come back later in a couple weeks with a full review. Let us get a full good update here, a couple updates here. A pixel drop, you know what I'm saying? If we get a pixel drop for the Fold, that's gonna even give us more features. Absolutely game changer right there. But I absolutely love this device. The cameras, oh yeah, the cameras, you know, it takes good pictures. It's a Pixel device. Now, is it a little bit better than the 7 Pro? Probably not, but I don't think you're gonna be able to tell the difference if you post those pictures on social media anyways. But with that being said, I'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!